Can I let you in quickly on this? It costs nothing to expect great things. You know, one day God asked Abraham to come out. He said, come out. He said, look at the sky. Can you remember that story? The Lord asked him, what do you see? All of us, when we read that story, you always say Abraham saw stars, right? But actually, it wasn't only stars that were present that night. The truth is this: anytime you see stars, there are also the dark clouds. Because if it was a bright daylight like in the sun, you will not be able to see the stars. The glory of the sun will outshine them, right? But that night, the dark clouds were there, the stars were there, and God said, Abraham, what do you see? Somebody else could have said, I see dark clouds. But Abraham said, I see bright stars. What do you see? Joseph said, I had a dream. And I asked myself, when Joseph was relating the story to his brothers, you know, he didn't say who he was. I didn't say who they were. He only told them the story, and everybody picked their part. Now, why didn't Joseph pick the part that he was among those bowing down? Why did he say he was the one they were bowing down to? Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you know how many times you have had a dream and you woke up sweating and running all over the whole place? And they say, what's happening? You say, I saw myself inside a coffin. Why didn't you say, I saw myself nailing somebody into the coffin? Did you get that? He said, no, in that dream, that was what I believed. It started from your conscious and moved into your subconscious. You've been seeing yourself as somebody that can be nailed. You've been seeing yourself as somebody that can be tackled. If you start seeing yourself as a lion in your real life, when you now get into your dream life and they nail somebody, what will come to your mind is, who will nail the lion? Who? What I'm saying is this: many of the bad dreams you are having, they start because your expectation is already bad.